Achiwe Kamtaya Bauping. RIMS with Director in Charge Kapangasang Seniority Lisli Magathar Layera. Loktak Lake Protection with MOU Shoi Saira. Lai hiao ngathor ache the Tangkhul Express we pau Mayori Keishing in a pami dele pau ping mai sa in anganang rumsa. Imphali Khalai Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS we senior most Professor Kapangkuili Michang Mikhai kasa lai kahai ningkhamong pau samhang dele. RIMS Manipur University li affiliate salala Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare na directly administer kasana. 2015 kumwi aina ministry china RIMS we professor aina doctor seniority list we aina final approval mimiranga. RIMS Executive Council na tentative inter-C seniority list ngranda zingkum shini kahailala Ministry of Health and Family Welfare na maramchi mathada miyang sangmi tu kala RIMS Director sagasa Dr. A. Santali atamachala awe Parent Institution Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences ne RIMS li hanung ngasak hawa the Director Additional Charge Dr. L. Ranjit Singh li mihairasai. Achakum December 19 li Manipur High Court na zizikami atishu da Ministry of Health and Family Welfare na RIMS with senior most Professor li in charge Director sada kapangsang ran kajina. OBST and Gynae Professor Dr. L. Ranjit Singh na senior most Professor Maning Manada Ali in charge Kapang Sangjili RIMS ENT Head of Department Dr. Hemam Priyoshaki Devi na challenge kasa aina ministry na Professor L. Ranjit Singh li in charge kami chi mashit mara da karot na tami kahaina. Karot we Twitter chi Priyoshaki Devi na RTI aina kuya gachi RIMS Professor we tentative inter-C seniority list atishu da Twitter katana ka list chi kaya ka musungla khala khanghan saira. Achaku ministry na zizikami atishu da final seniority list chi 4-member senior officials we committee na may manalaka kachang hiwe tarik chiko thang semsok haina. Kala 4 members committee china Thegakui atishu da OBST and Gynae with Professor L. Ranjit Singh na RIMS with senior most Professor Sada Sangdale. Ana RIMS li Assistant Professor Sada February Maroon 1 1997 li Sangpoka kala 2005 kum Associate Professor Ngapam Kalaga 2009 kum Professor Ngapam Kuya. Second senior most Professor Sada Professor and Head of the Anesthesiology Dr. Deban Kala. Third senior most Professor Surgery Department we Dr. M. Bir Kumar. Fourth senior most Professor na Head of PMR Dr. A.K. Joy Singh Kala. Fifth senior most Professor Lee ENT Department we Dr. Priyoshaki Devi Gzangna. Ana 1999 kum RIMS li Assistant Professor Sada Sangpoka. Kala 2009 kum Senior Professors Matijili ngusoda Professor Ngapam Sampang Ripa. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare na zizikami atishu da seniority list li supporting documents sanglaga Ministry chiwe Northeast Joint Secretary li achahon tarik chiko thang chiho bahaira. Khajili Mataimila Ministry of Health and Family Welfare na RIMS with Director Additional Charge li Professor Priyosaki li Tarik Tharada Thuruktang Migahaina. List atishu da Professor Priyosaki na seniority list li kapangali gazangna. Chithada sa da RIMS with Kashok gazang li hapki kachi case karot li rata lui mangra da leidalai. Manipur we Loktak Lake Mazakshi Kawai Kala Kawangkui Kawai the Indian Bird Conservation Network IBCN Aina Manipur we colleges Chishat na MOU Shoi Saira. Northeast India li kharesa the Memorandum of Understanding Geoloctag Protection and Conservation wivang IBCN State Coordinator kala Manipur Colleges jishat we principals ping na shoi sang roka. MOU shoi kasaji water birds machut gakhui kala shan gakhui arawe maramli khani thangwe workshop ranye Mongol Nganbi College Ningthau Khongli Khwikaya. IBCN Coordinator RK Birjina kahang MOU shoi kasaji khamataya akhana IBCN Coordinator RK Birjina kahang MOU shoi kasaji khamtaya akhana kacha lokta Manipur wivangmang maningla international importance khalai wetland sada ruchum naupingwe social and scientific responsibility laya kachi hanga. MOU shoi kasa phaikarchi research collaboration kala academic activities li ngshikta otsara kachi maya khongrokna. Asian water birds count we akai akasada IBCN Manipur na Loktak water birds census activities track kasa zingkum tharada phanga kaira kala chiwi next census rakra February marun tarik phanga thang hopok luira. Tiruvanau census kakhuiji Loktak Lake apam hang phanga kadali yang khuira chia. 2017 census atishu do Loktak Lake li vanau yur tharada shini we vanau machine thing phanga kada thaikhuya. Kala 2016 li vanau yur hang thurukta chishat we vanau machine thing hang mati da shini hang chishat ta chishat kaya da machine suihap kata thaikhuya. Kumbi College ex-principal K. Jugeshwar Singh la MOU shoi kasa ranye jile wasangda ana kahang wetland hi internationally kan khana leya kacha wetland akhana tiang mai kap ta terawanau thing mukda kadali support samia. Tangkhul Twitter me kachi aphora shokaira. Reverend Peter Keishing na kagapi aphora chi Tangkhul to English na kagapi na kala chi volume khare phongmi kahaina. Aporichi kapi me Reverend Peter Keishing na William Pettigrew we aina twilaga Tangkhul now na kapi kahai dictionary katonga Tangkhul khokrumla Tangkhul Bible Tangkhul na kapi kahaya lyric chakani tumra shika Mayori la chili lang the Tangkhul Literature Society na Miami kahaya nursery to class 12 we worship textbook li shichinda khale psychora compile sana da hanga. 80% were Tangkhul to English, 20% were Tangkhul to Tangkhul aina kapi kushoka tuicham dictionary na da hanga. Ngukup ngaka lak aina volume 1, 2, 3 aina publish saki da khalaina chia. Itum kutonga ngurum da Tangkhul tui semkhui laksa da Reverend Peter Keishing na kasatsanga. Tangkhul we tui kala ngashan hi ishi Tangkhul we machut na da raisang khawai aphora chi palaga feedback kala suggestion kami ningchanga da kapi meche na hanga. Aphora chi Ukrali Pettigrew Book House opposite Model School Mission Ground Awon Tangli Sampangra. Manager twing Tingli 70055666726 ling hanpaira. Aporichi aman lupa shamiti aina yordale. Postal aina ningchang aka address jihomi paira. Chili Postal Service aman zangda lupa 425 GP Yuingam Keishing we GP 936208938 li jihomi paya. Infal Shong OM Books Khongnang Karak Adim Jati Gate Ngalem Chingmai Rong Lila Yormi Dale. Chiwi Manager Storage Chitungli 708573986 ling Hanwa Paira. Postal Service aina sampang khangai pingne ichicha we address 80012222334 li Chihomi Paira. Technopal brown sugar phungsat kasa AR Technopal Battalion na tukhuyaira. Lakhawak acha honthang Modi Battalion na la 2.918 kg kaka 5.83 crore manwe brown sugar tukhuyaira. AR team na village Khundeng Thabi Pamli Operation Bada brown sugar nishari 5 to 5 gram sampanga. Ariji lupa 1.05 crore manwina kalachi Moray Police li misang hawa. Acha hon kupthang Modi Battalion na Tengnoupal Police ling soda operation khawali sub cases hangshini le shaksa sanghai kasa brown sugar kg khani langda gari le phungsat kasa mi akha tukhui haira. Mi pa chili mobile vehicle checkpost Larong Khunau village li samkaphangna. Tukhui kahai mi kala awi gari che Tengnoupal Police Station li misangaira. Maitena ST status kapo mangsamla leida STDCM MP STDC na sit in protest pamaira. Athumna kapo chithaida Imphal Yukrul Road li rally la zat kala chiwiti li hurai puthiba laikai li protest pam chithaida mitai nauping li ST list li zang sakhawai demand kasa phongshok loyaira. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur STDCM we Azingli Social Reformers Clubs SRCA na local Shanausan Pingna Kurai Lamlong Bazaar Imphal East lila protest pam chithai haira. ST list li zangkhawai demand kasawi maram li state shorkar na center li recommendation mikhwai shakchangda podle. SRC Executive Committee member Mongjam Hemantana kahang indigenous miphok Sasa lala mitay naupinglit tampak mangli pan ngasaka kala ST demand kasaji mitay machine ngakhui khawai kasana da hangsanga. Center na state shorkar li recommendation pohai lala state shorkar na kiwiwang makhami khala khanghan saira. Maitai na kapoli shuda Maitai Pangal Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee MP STDC MPCC President MLA K Mega Chandra wi Shimli Wada atumna ST status kapo memorandum misangaira. MP STDC na hangda MLA Mega Chandra na atumi kapo chili full support mira chihaira. Churachandpur Detention Center le Myanmar nauping li od sang saktalai kala kashok gazang maphakwila leida lei chihaira. Itumna thaipai acha honthang minor aka zangda mayor naw gathum Churachandpur Detention Center we aina yamshok ka hai pau ngayawa. Atum Myanmar aina lyric singran masing like illegal immigrants na dahanga. Kala maram chi wewang Imphal Free Press na wakhang ngithing Tharan Detention Center chi machalak la khalei thaikhui haira. Center chi CSOs na yangasang na kala chi we management aina security le magcha leida leichia. Churachandpur district we New Lamkali khalei Sadbhavna Mandopchi Temporary Prison cum Detention Center sada Myanmar National Makada Chikoli Hai Khawai Sara da Home Deputy Secretary na 2021 khaying April kachang chizikhamina. Shorkar na kapangsang Gahai Detention Center sasala la Imphal Free Press na thaigukhui athishur da center chi Zomi Mothers Association aina Zomi Youth Association na yangsang dalai. Atumna wakyang jail staff pingna apam jili zangkhawai mayalala subdivisional officers we khamaya mazangla mazangbai mrada Zomi Mothers Association aina Zomi Youth Association na khamhawa jiya. Ka SDO na kahang center chiwe power wa IGP prisons wili khalaina. Kala centers jili inmates kaya ka khalai khala gchila maphakhwila leidale. SDO Churachandpur staff we record atishu the detention center jili inmates hangphangada khani leya. Social Welfare Department na May 18, 2022 li kahang thaka centers jili inmates hangmiti da khani leya. Kala Manipur State Legal Service Authority MASLSA na March 29, 2022 li kahang thaka inmates hangmiti da mati leya. Lakhawak Home Department we thermaikap kachi pau atishu da inmates hangmuti da phanga sai kala chiwi ngachai li shinau khani mawan saira. Center Chile National la leida kleina ka temporary prison aina detention center we zatkhana ngatai da khani chi mangrai cha mana la Juveniles Justice Act JJ Act chi ngalai hiwe rochum now ranu ngalai katai we Reno National Cycle Railway Sada Minor Li JJ Act Azingli Haiki Kachina. Act Chili Detention Center Mazangmana Dahanga. Sadbafna mandap chi ki ek we azingli foreigners pingwe detention center sada haikami kala chi ki we wang CSOs na yang sang kachi la khanghan saira. Center jiwe na national agali chi ho hawa guardians li misang hawa kachi records la lay kha nauchi guardians kipali sinaga haikhala amingla mahaimana dahanga. Officials report atishu da centers jilipam da khalai inmates ping china kashan rakta thang we ngalang phaiza da lay chia. Sabafna mandap we community holy kachon rak khawai looms maka shika higher chia. Atumwe fixed working hours malay mana kha thang li lupa shamati shaphanga shika sakhui da lay chia. Infal Free Press na sabafna mandap li acha hon tarik makada mati thang wa khangathing we aina ngalangda tarik makada phanga thang prison authorities na center chiwi inmates makada thuruk Infal shong chihota hawa da hanga. India we higher education we kashok zangli ningyang mukung phongshokta All India Federation of University and College Teacher Organization a nationwide black badge protest ngawawaira. Protest Jirakra February Marun Tarik Tarada Mati Thangsara the Federation Organization Aina Yarina Kutomi Kawai Ngakawhaira. Higher education ni sak zepaikar khwipapa kchi layera da AIFUCTO na black badge protest saki gchina kala all pension scheme khung milu shikhawai alpam chipui khawai kala ad hoc part time temporary teachers pingwe service regularization samilu kchila AIFUCTO na podale Manga mawala shinu khungla Democratic magasai NEP 2020 implement kasawe aming aina UGC na Union Education Ministry we tui khuida makhangi regularization ngatei da khwirahaira kache AIFUCTO na hanga Chili gazang singkum mati we undergraduate program multiple entry and exit University entrance test akha aina haikami kala foreign universities rata khawai we draft regularization higatha hi mangyi mana kachi phongshokhaira Chimang miningla Education Ministry aina UGC na AIFUCTO sangda stakeholders pingwe kaphaningla mangasan mi mana da maringa pha phungshoka 32nd AIFUCTO Academic Conference Rakra March Mayori Kurukshetra University Haryana li Kasipki da Laidale Kala Chile India we educational interest wivang Paikar Kwiran Maramli Ngasanra da Hanga Magalaya Assembly election wivang Congress the seat psychorally contest Saki da Laidale Party Chiwi candidates final list Shogaira Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee President Aina MP Vincent H. Bala na kahang final list li candidates phanga Central Election Committee na approve saira. Clearedly Janika Sangsai Amlarem we Arbiakam Khar Somat Khar Kutali Chireng Peter R. Marak Resubel Parali Dr. Twil K. Marak Kala Rajabalali Karla R. Sangma Ashi Phangana nganingra 60 member state assembly wewang khare listly candidates hang phangada phangawe aming acha hon tarik magada phangathang shokme hairasai Meghalaya assembly election jira khara marun February tarik magada shini thang saki gijina Latluida achiwe khamta ya pawping RIMS with Director in Charge Kapangasang Seniority Lisli Magathar Layera. Loktak Lake Protection with MOU Shwai Saira. Achu Pau Hiling Changaira Pau Nada Kleina Tum Psychorally Ringapaka La Kamahaya Simshong Sasser.